Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to increase or decrease image resolution. This tool enhances low quality images by analyzing noise patterns, pixel gaps, or missing details. So Nano AI reconstructs the sharper edges, clear textures, and more defined features while keeping the original style intact. So whether the photo is all blurry or taken in low light, the AI can upscale it into a crisp high resolution version or lower the resolution for you. Conversely, it can also reduce the file size. The AI can downscale the image while preserving clarity and sharpness. So as an example, when you want to go ahead and upload someone's photo, maybe on a website, it basically asks you to have it in a certain size below 200 kilobytes. So you can go ahead and use this Nano Banana to help you create this instead of using apps online or apps from your phone. So let me show you how to do this. So here's the example. We'll go ahead and reduce a resolution of an image. So if I go ahead and open up the gallery and we'll go ahead and look at this picture, I'll go ahead and reduce the resolution of this image. So we'll go ahead and make this a 5 megapixel. So as you can see, it's 18 megapixels right now, but we'll go ahead and create this into a 5 megapixel image. So we'll go ahead and open up Gemini. We'll add that image. And now I'll go ahead and ask it to downscale to a 5 megapixel image. Downscale this to 5 megapixel.
Sure, here is the image.
So let's go ahead and download this. And let's go ahead and look at this. So as you can see, it has downscaled it to 1 megapixel. And the image which we have is 18 megapixel. So this way you can basically restore all photos, scanned images, or blurry mobile shots. This is ideal for printing, enlarging, or professional use. You can make low quality images for social media reuse, and this preserves the detail even when resizing drastically. So there you go guys, that is how to increase or decrease image resolution using Nano Banana on your Samsung Galaxy device.